Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Google Maps location history in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then here you can click on profile icon at the top. And then you can click once more. And then please click manage your Google account. Okay, and then here you can swipe and select data and privacy option. Okay, and then here you can scroll down and then please select this option. Well, after that you can press this option and then please scroll down and then press here. Okay, and then the Google Maps location history in Chrome on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate Google Maps location history in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.